So I now received another quarter panel repair kit from Amazon, which I'm betting is from the same place, and the stamp is still bad. Stamp in the steel is still bad.
I thought you got the other one from...
Did get one from eBay, but he's buying it from the same spot.
Oh.
So I guess I'm just going to have to live with it. I don't want to live with it, but what else am I going to do? This piece here, this part here, from the way that they stamp the metal, it's rolled up. You can see it right through here. So now I'm just going to have to deal with it because I can't get a clean piece of steel from anywhere. Quality, nobody gives a shit about quality and for anything except for me.
I care.
Yeah, well, I care that my car doesn't look all fucked up because the OEM ones don't look like this. But this is 2 orders of this, and I gotta deal with this crease here. Something in their tooling is fucked up here, and you think they would fix it. Thanks for watching.